Oh my goodness, are you the cutest angel doggy in the world? If you ever met my dog in real life, you would know those angel wings are meant to be devil wings. But you know, he's cute, so I let him get away with it. Anyways, what is up, beautiful sunshine baby angels? Oh my goodness, angels, angels, angels. That's what we're talking about in this video, obviously. And I know I call you guys angels all the time, but today it is really gonna ring true. So this video actually was an afterthought. I wasn't gonna post this video, but I decided since I was gonna make these wings anyway, I might as well film it. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make those fabulous angel wings. You guys know the angel wings that I'm talking about, not the kind you can buy on Amazon, though I love those. I'm talking about the kind like this. Where do you buy those? I don't know. I couldn't find links anywhere. So today I am going to go ahead and make a pair. A la, you know, my favorite thing, DIY. So if you're gonna be an angel for Halloween, or if you're gonna be, you know, some kind of black swan thing, a majigger, or maybe even make them red and make them a devil, I don't know what people are for Halloween these days. I swear to you, I'm getting old. I don't even know what I'm doing. Is it weird to take my dog trick-or-treating? Probably. Anyways, so this intro is in 500 years. Without further ado, here we go. DIY celebrity-looking supermodel angel wings. Here we go. Yeah, you tried to eat them, I know, so we're gonna take those off. But these were cute. They were like $10 on Amazon. Anyways, that's aside the point. So glamorous. So, anywhoosie, okay, so like I said, this video was actually kind of an afterthought. It's just something I'm doing for my own Halloween costume. Spoiler alert, I'm being an angel for like the 600th time. Yes, but I love that costume. So, like I said, I knew you guys would ask. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's a really easy one, so here's all you need. Thing on the agenda of this DIY is you need to buy angel wings. Okay, I know that sounds ridiculous, but honestly, you need a base for this project. So I got these fabulous ones on Amazon. I've actually worn these for costumes in the past. They're super cute, you can see. Love that. However, they are not the cascading fabulosity ones. So we're gonna give them a little bit of a makeover. To do that, we're gonna need a lot of feathers. So these are the key to making those wings look like this. These are craft ostrich feathers. You can get them on Amazon. You can see I have a bunch of them. I got a bunch in the bag here. And basically all we're gonna do is just lay them on it with a little bit of trusty E6000 glue. The answer to all your life problems, E6000 glue. No, I'm kidding. But for crafts, I'm telling the truth. So that's literally all we're gonna need. And this is literally all we're gonna do. You can see the wings right here before. I just thought I would have fun and, you know, make this silly little montage. So please enjoy me being ridiculous. All right, so you can see the way Kylie's wings look right here, and you can see Kim's look right here. So like I said, these are all made with these extra fluffy feathers. So literally all we're going to do is take the feathers, voila. And literally all we're going to do is take the feathers and kind of lay them onto the wings like this. Originally, like I said, I was gonna use glue, but that didn't work that good. So we're gonna actually use this clear tape instead. You know, sometimes you gotta just make adjustments in the middle of your project, but you can see literally, all you do is place the feathers one by one. Hi, George, so cute. And just literally lay them on until they create kind of a cascading pattern like this. So you can see then when you hold them up, they look like that. Keep repeating the process one by one until you get that fan effect. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the bottom. So literally take the feathers again, and you can just tape them onto the base like that until they kind of cascade again down in sort of like an opposite little feather pattern. I don't know what you would call this, but you get the point. So you can see once you got those like that, it's starting to look like this. Oh my goodness, so glam. Make sure you play music while you do this. I'm playing music, but for copyright reasons, I can't play it. But, you know, you can see I'm having a good time. So just keep on sticking them on. Do the other wing. Again, George is watching because he's the cutest little angel man in the world. It's not going to take that long, but eventually you will get them all feathered up. And then when you flip them over, you can even see, look at that. You can't even tell that you just glued anything onto it. Fabulous. The only thing is this middle part is kind of like ugly, so go ahead and take one of the feathers. You can go ahead and trim that in half so it's in 2 pieces. And then you can go ahead and stick that on top of there just to kind of, you know, mask the nastiness. And voila! They look like nothing on the ground, but just wait till we try them on. By the way, did you see my socks? Look how cool my socks are. They got little cherries on them. We love that. Okay. Anyways, it's not what this is about, so are you ready for the fashion show? Ooh. Alrighty, are you guys ready for this? That's fabulous choreography. Okay. Dun, dun, da-da! Ooh, baby. Now that looks legit. So obviously this is not my costume because this costume sucks. That being said, the angel wings look fire. So you can see they came out so good. Like, look at that in the mirror back there. Oh my goodness. They are so dramatic, so fluffy, so fabulous. Excelente. Victoria's Secret Angel who? No, we are being our own fantasy. Did it hurt when you fell from heaven? Yeah, it did actually. I got a bruise. Do call me Angel. Wow. I love it. No matter what Halloween costume party you go to, you're gonna be the best angel because ain't nobody got wings like your own. Ooh. Ooh. I can't even fit in the whole mirror. The only thing I must mention is these are huge. The diameter of these is massive, so actually walking around is very difficult. So you have to go to an open space party, but anything for the extra, it can be done. Believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Actually, it's too tall and I'm too short. Oh yeah. Rise and shine. That's the funniest meme in the world. Okay, anyways. And yeah, that is basically that. Absolutely freaking fire. Oh, if I film the outro right here, it looks like heaven because of the fluorescent lighting. But anyways, there you have it, you guys. That was my very quick little DIY fabulous, very extra angel wings. If you guys want to buy any of the materials, I linked them below. And I hope you guys have, I don't know, just... And I hope you guys have a very, very happy Halloween. I will see you, of course, before then. But, you know, for now, there you go. Happy Halloween. Don't forget to subscribe for lots more fabulous, ridiculous content. And I will see you angels next time. Oh, I love this. I'm going to wear these every day now. Wow. No, I'm not. But also maybe. Anyways, I love you guys so very much. Kisses. Till next time, my angels. XO. Are you a superstar?